Anos is
Bait.
mabait.
Nasimpit.
Nasingpit.
Okay.
Different.
Ikaw naman, Iha. Do you have... No, wait.
Huwag na tayo mag-dial. Magkakamal. Nalilibog tuloy ako eh. Alam mo nalilibog sa Bisaya?
Yung...
Nako-confuse.
Yes, pero sa Tagalog, ano yan?
Mahirap, wag na. Sige, tuloy nila.
Iha, wholesome
tayo.
itong program na to. Iha, ikaw, would you like to leave a message? Let's say, nakikinig ang... Kasi ito, nare-record itong program na to and you can, share this to your parents and your family. What message would you give to them?
Thank you po for all the support, all the way support po. From before the pageant up to the last. Maraming salamat po sa pagtitiis din sa amin.
Okay. And how about Iho again?
Again, thank you for those who support us, those who spend money for the pageant, kasi libre po yun, binigay po nila sa amin yun, at saka yung time po nila. Maraming salamat po.
Okay.
Salamat din for
thank you very much, Mr. and Miss Cordillera. Ang Mr. ay si Lapid Lingbawan from Lubu, Tanudan, Kalinga Province. At si Miss naman is si Pia May Sugiyaw from Bulanao, Tabuk City, Kalinga Province.
We wish you the best at pagyamanin nyo lalo ang kung anong meron kayo. Okay?
At hello kay Irene sa nakikinig ngayon. Tapos belated happy birthday kay Merla Superwoman Bongkasan. Ikaw, Blue, anong pagkain na naman?
Well, sa mga gustong kumain sa Max's Restaurant. Max's Restaurant.
Alam mo, nalilito yata sila kasi dalawang pinapatanong mo eh.
Nga, pero every quarter. Ganon, Max's naman. Yan kanina.
Okay.
So, pero nakita ko sa mga sagot sa Max's Restaurant, kulang. Ang tanong ko ay tatlo.
Tatlong ulam.
Tatlong ulam mo. So, again, ang katanungan ay, name at least three of your favorite products from Max's Restaurant. Any from the menu ng Max's Restaurant. Ano yung mga pagkain? Tatlo lang na paborito nyo sa Max's Restaurant. Isend lang sa 4001 kasama ang inyong pangalan.
Babalik ka na.
It's not about the result, but also the intention. It's not about the reward, but also the achievement. It's not about the success, but also the dedication. Introducing the all-new Lexus ES. Keep moving forward. Test drive the all-new Lexus ES at your nearest Alphatane Motors Lexus showroom today.
Filipino Rhythm. Time to eat. Time for Max's.
Siobhan Live, weekdays from 12 noon, featuring the stories that make a difference and affect your life in the UAE and across the globe. From art to cross-cultural relations, legal, real estate, books, and technology, Siobhan Live, weekdays from 12 noon, only on Dubai Eye 103.8. Around town or around the world, when you're on the go, you need to know the latest news and business stories, sports and lifestyle. All in the palm of your hand. Whether it's an iPhone, BlackBerry, or Android, we have the app for you. Wherever you are in the world, keep Dubai Eye with you. Get your free iPhone, BlackBerry, or Android app at DubaiEye1038.com now.
Filipino Rhythm, brought to you by Alansari Exchange. Close to you in Carrefour Market in Umalquain. Alansari Exchange, your first choice.
Kayo pa rin nakikinig sa programang Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Ngayon, bumalik na yung ating mga officers ng Cordilleras in the UAE. Si Datsen, tapos si Marlene. Sige, tuloy natin yung discussion natin about Cordillera. Yung Marlene, so magkano na raise na pera doon sa Mr. and Miss Cordillera contest?
I think it was 17, 18, 5, it's more than 40,000? Hindi po ako sure kasi nasa treasurer pa yon.
For 0,000 dirhams or
Yes.
pesos?
Dirhams.
Wow.
Wow!
Laki ha?
Pero that is the sum.
Pero tatanggalin pa yung mga...
40% at saka 60.
Pero
I-divide
kahit
yun.
na.
Ano ba yun? Di ba may entrance yun? Tapos may mga nag-text. Parang ano yung pagboto? Popularity vote?
Wala po kaming popularity voting.
Yung payment, yung not popular, yung...
nagbenta kami ng mga tickets.
Yung ticket.
Yeah.
Yun na nga popular. Parang the more tickets,
you sell,
the more yung chances of winning. So, ang
Yep.
laki na race nitong Mr. and Miss na Kalinga to.
Yep.
I think meron naman kayong parang concert for a cause the other time. Magkano rin ang na-raise doon, that's? If you can recall.
It's around 7,000.
7,000?
Yes.
Saan nyo naman pinadala ito? Sa Baguio? Or anong cause beneficiary?
The most recent was split by Kalinga and Benguet.
Bakit doon? Anong meron doon?
Hindi. Kasi when we started this concerts for a cause, it should be per province na magro-rotate yan.
Okay.
So first was the Ifugao province. On the second concert,
fundraising,
it was the Mountain province.
Okay.
And then this third one, it was split into Kalinga and Ifugao.
So laging...
Kalinga and Benguet, I'm sorry.
Kalinga and Benguet. Mayroon mga specific beneficiaries sa Benguet, sa places?
Yun, that will be determined by the officers of the particular chapter. Like for example, dun sa una yung Ifugao, it's a SPED, Special Education. Tapos followed by the Mountain Province, it's a school. So school supplies ang na-provide. And then finally, itong Kalinga and Benguet, I think both... for hospital or clinic materials.
Okay. Miss Marlene.
I-add on ko lang yung yung sa beneficiaries.
Opo.
Is that ang Benguet is may sinadjust sila pero hindi siya na-approve, and then they have another
second choice.
So finally it was approved. It is daycare center books. Yeah, so I've read about their beneficiary is they're giving it to one of the municipality of Benguet, which is in Atok municipality. So it was stated there that they are going to buy books for the 23 daycare centers.
What kind of books?
Books for the kids. It's like Aklat Adarna, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and they have more requests like more on CDs, cartons, like for crafts, educational books and others. Pero nag-concentrate muna sila doon sa books. And then kung may maiwan na fund is ibibili sa mga other things na kinakailangan sa daycare center.
Okay. Meron akong na-recall, in Togon Benguet, ganyan din, nagpapamigay din sila ng mga school supplies. Kasi nga yung iba doon, aside from yung chinelas, kasi mga taga-bundok yan eh. So, they need chinelas more than, hindi sapatos. 'Di ba? Kasi parang pagdadaan sila yung mga hanging bridge, yung mga sa river, they have to remove yung mga ito. 'Di ba? So
pero sa ngayon rubber shoes na.
Leather pa.
High-tech
I'd like to ask, matanong ko lang kasi I remember they prefer pagka yung barter. You mentioned something about the barter way, barter system. They would ask for brown sugar. Bakit they prefer brown sugar than white sugar? How can you explain
that? May kulay.
I think it's because of the study before, wherein white sugar is a processed.
It is processed.
Brown, more natural.
I see. Okay. Organic, oo. Alright. Tapos, ano pa ba yung nare-recall ko na mga nila na...
Ano yung pinikpikan?
Ayun, killing me softly.
Exactly.
Pinikpikan
is a way of butchering the chicken by
kasi si Agnes nagstay sa Baguio for 8 years. Gusto niya daw pinikpikan.
And masarap gawin yung pinikpikan sa native na manok.
Yes,
kasi iba yung lasa.
Ito pala from Gina from OWA. Sabi ni Gina, tuwang-tuwa siya. May dalawang experiences siya na di makalimutan, yung magiging guest siya during the Ulalim
at
and Imbaya Festival. Ano ba ito? Ulalim at Imbaya?
The Ulalim and Imbaya Festival was hosted by the province of Kalinga, which is the Ulalim.
Okay.
And then Imbaya for Ifugao. So
sabay itong event?
Yes.
Or,
it was a double celebration.
Actually, those festivals were derived from the same festivals that they are having from their respective provinces.
Okay. Ito si Gina kasi isa sa mga jurors ninyo si Gina. Good evening, Gina. Kamusta ka? Always the smiling woman
And with a big heart as well. Meron pa kayong gustong i-share, Miss Marlene, tungkol sa grupo nyo? Ano bang expectin?
Isa pala sa mga kasama nila, birthday pala si
wow.
Eileen. Sino si Eileen dyan?
Happy birthday, Eileen!
Kodyam ba ito?
Thank you for being with us as you celebrate your birthday. Pagkagaling ba dito, punta tayong labas?
Saan tayo pupunta? Saan tayo kakain? Sa Max.
Dapat manalo kayo. Kailangan manalo kayo. Panalo.
Sige. Okay raw. Sige.
Ilan tayo.
Happy birthday Sige, sabay kami sa inyo
Okay. Yes, going back to your group. Would you like to share more about the activities and future activities?
Paano sila maging member?
Okay. I would just want to take this chance to inform the public na Cordillerans out there in the UAE who are not yet member of the Cordillerans Emirates, you can just contact the officers as to your respective chapters or to the mother.
Sino to si Norma Wandag? Officer rin to?
Yep. Siya ang current treasurer ng mother organization. Because sa ngayon, meron ng mother at saka chapters. Before, it was just merely Cordillerans UAA.
Kasi wala pang mga chapters.
Kasi walang chapters.
Ngayon per chapter na.
Yeah, kasi nga dumadami na nga.
At dadami pa yan.
Oo, kaya inano namin, per chapter na lang para at least ang dissemination ng information mas maganda at mas mabilis. So, at least meron na tayong Abra, Benguet, Ifugao, Kalinga, at Mountain Province. Ang Apayao pa ang walang chapter kasi ang sabi nila iilan-ilan lang sila. But we are still encouraging them na kahit na iilan-ilan sila, as long as they can stand to stand for their province, then at least ma-acknowledge na meron na namang Apayao chapter to complete the six provinces of Cordillera.
Speaking of yung mga workers na galing sa Cordillera, nabasa ko nga dito, it says here that Cordillerans working abroad are increasing. Sabi dito. And Middle East country ang remain top destination.
Anong klaseng work nila?
Different, like what they have said. Marami dyan engineers, nurses, teachers, yes. They're educators.
Kasi English kasi, magaling sila.
Hindi, tsaka I think ang orientation din kasi doon, okay lang maging magsasaka ka, basta makatapos ka. Yun,
correct.
Kahit na magtanim ka, kahit anything you do as long as you'll finish college. Right? So, yun ang
totoo po yun dahil education is very important to us na yun lang ang pwedeng ipamana ng mga magulang sa kanilang mga anak.
Nadinig ko na yan sa tatay ko. Sabi niya, ito lang maipapamana ko sa inyo. Yun.
Ako papamanahin ng kitang iba.
Ikaw, Datsen, tango ka ng tango dyan. Ano pang mai-share mo sa grupo mo?
Ano mapapamana mo sa mga next generation na mga Cordillerans dito sa UAE?
Ayun, exactly. It's our culture and tradition. Kasi like for example, our dances and songs, pag hindi na natin ginagawa yung mga yan or hindi pinopromote, malamang yung mga apo natin or yung mga anak nila is
hip-hop na sila.
Exactly.
About it.
So makakalimutan yung mga dialects, yung mga sayaw, mga kanta, and yung mga ugali, yung mga yan.
Kailan kayo magkaroon ng outdoor activity? Pag malapit na, magmalamig na. Kasi alam mo, naalala ko yung sa Bill Park
Yes.
Di ba may activity kayo doon? Tapos dumaan kami. Actually, ako, kung may activity, invite mo kasi gusto ko sumayaw Tuwang-tuwa ako pag napapasayaw ako.
Pagsayawin niyo siya ng nakabahag.
Sayaw na lang, walang bahag.
Very much welcome.
Gusto ko yung sayaw, di ba? Yung ganyan
Pati si Daddy Blue.
Ano ba yung
maganda blue?
May, alam mo yung pag-raise ng kamay, may ibang meaning yan. I've learned from my good friend si Jean Wasit. Sabi niya, pag ganito iba, tapos may yung ganon, yung parang thumbs up, iba rin daw yan. Ano nga ba ibig sabihin nun, Ma'am Marlene?
Yung depende yata sa province. Depende sa province kung ano ang position ng kamay, yung mga fingers.
Baka magkamali na meaning
Talaga, napaka
feme.
baka wardans tuloy yan. Haka-haka
Kaya depende sa province.
Okay. So siguro balang araw magkakaroon kayo ng isang libro ng mga UAE Cordilleras or Cordilleras in UAE. Alright, sharing about yung inyong fundraising,